Welcome to my second phase campaign for the development of my new game, Fantasy Pro Football Manager. Fantasy Pro Football Manager will be a pro football team manager simulation set in a fantasy realm, using NFL statistical information for player skill formulas. Why in a fantasy realm? Well, due to the cost prohibitive nature of licensing, why not have some fun with the design? It should look good, it'll play good, it'll be just like the NFL. And yet, in a fantasy world, what's better than that? In the second phase of the project, backers can look forward to being provided with accounts and access to new features as they become available, as well as basic simulation control with game plan and play type integration through an AI coach component. As you can see in this image here, I have implemented a fantasy setting around a football field and a number of buildings. These buildings will be used to access various features and functionality of the game. Now up in the corner you can see that I've implemented an accounts page. This is really just the place for you to set your game ID, your tag, and various other features and functionality will be added to this in time. Now you can see here that I've also implemented the basic simulation. This is just the prototype. However, a lot more functionality will be applied to it underneath, as well as a much more fitting thematic interface. Now down here we have the coach's hut. This is where you'll be able to do things like change your game plan for your offense and your defense. You can pick your favorite play types as well as your favorite play specific. Now, in my game, you won't have control over the exact plays that are called at any given time, though these favorite plays and play types will highly increase the probability that those plays will be called. After all, you are just the GM. The coach still runs the game. Additionally, you'll be able to expect features such as additional coach information. Things like, what are his favorite plays? What plays will he tend to? What is his tendency when he's calling plays? You'll also have a playbook where you will be able to add, remove, and view the current mastery level of your plays. That is, how well has your team learned these plays? It will show which players have pretty much mastered it and the success rate of those plays. How many yards are they gaining on an average against what kind of defenses? That kind of thing. And finally, I have my technical game log here, which is just going to be basic information, things that have been completed or features that are in progress, just little updates along the way. You can also check out my YouTube page, Active Mind Games Dev, where I am actually streaming live a good chunk of the things I'm doing and developing. I hope you will help me continue this project in full force by backing me now or perhaps in a future campaign. In any case, thank you for checking out my campaign. See you on the gridiron.